Hey there, money managers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest financial tips and tricks for 2025. Today's video is all about something super practical: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to an Exmoney account. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid internationally or just diversifying your digital wallets, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure both your PayPal and Exmoney accounts are set up and verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions in 2025, as security measures have gotten even tighter. Start by logging into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the Send and Request section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, look for the option to add a new recipient or transfer funds. If Exmoney isn't already linked, you'll need to search for it in the bank or wallet transfer list. Pro tip: make sure Exmoney is supported in your region, as availability can vary. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check for any currency conversion fees, which might pop up based on exchange rates in 2025. After that, input the necessary details for your Exmoney account, like the account number or email associated with it. PayPal will prompt you to review the transaction. Take a moment to verify everything to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm and wait for the processing, which usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours. Once the transfer is complete, log into your Exmoney account to confirm the funds have arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check your email for notifications from PayPal and contact their support. Remember, always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication on both platforms. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Exmoney in 2025. It's quicker than ever with the new updates, but stay vigilant about fees and limits. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.